Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro. 0.1mm thickness testing pioneer, the next level high-speed printing experience and a gateway 3D printer to an era of ultra-high-speed printing. Breaking down the resin limitations, experience high-speed printing under the testing condition at 0.1mm thickness. High-speed resin 2.0, 0.1mm layer height print time, 170mm per hour. The CLB light source system, combined with Fresnel lenses and front-facing reflectors less than or equal to 3 degrees angle precisely controls each beam of light. Equipped with a light-off compensation algorithm, it can dynamically adjust the light-off time of the under-screen light source according to the exposure area of the printing model and the resin flow rate, ensuring that each layer of the model is successfully exposed and detached, improving the printing success rate. Photon Mono M7 Pro has a build volume of 223 by 126 by 230 mm, providing ample space for your creativity. Automatic precise leveling and zeroing of the device, eliminating the need for manual leveling operations. During the printing process, if the model experiences issues such as layer fractures, bottom detachment, or detachment, printing automatically stops and a pop-up alert is issued, allowing users to adjust the printing task promptly, avoiding wasted resin and time. Automatically monitor the number of times the release film is peeled off. Upon reaching 45,000 times, users are reminded to replace it promptly to avoid subsequent printing failures due to decreased release film performance. Detect solid residues inside the resin vat and promptly alert the user with a pop-up window to avoid damage to the screen due to manual inspection oversights. When the resin level in the vat is below the amount required for slicing printing, users are reminded to refill it promptly. Number 2. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max 3D printer is designed for efficiency, boasting a maximum speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, which is 12 times faster than a regular FDM 3D printer. Perfect for professionals and beginners. The K1 Max boasts an impressive printing size of 300 by 300 by 300 mm, allowing for multiple models to be printed simultaneously, significantly increasing printing efficiency. Additionally, its print volume to printer size ratio can reach up to 25.5%, the biggest compared with similar-sized printers. The 1 micrometer resolution LiDAR will scan the first layer on its own. It will pause printing and tell you immediately if something goes wrong. And K1 Max uses an AI camera to watch over spaghetti failure, foreign objects, debris, etc. It will alert you when an error occurs. It also supports real-time monitoring and creates time-lapse for sharing. Furthermore, the strain sensors in the heatbed generate an accurate leveling mesh for auto-compensation. A new ceramic heater encircling the hot end can melt various filaments instantly. The dual-gear direct drive extruder and titanium alloy heartbrake ensure 32 mm superscript 3/S full blast feeding flow in up to 300 degrees Celsius. The freshly printed model is cooled rapidly by 2 fans, one on the printhead with directional air ducts, and another in the build chamber. The model hardens before any stringing and warping could happen. There are more than 20 engineers for after-sales service and provide 24/7 customer service with 1 Bayer Limited and technical assistance. Please contact us via Ask a Question directly to get professional assistance. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy 3D Printer. Features a full metal hot end capable of reaching a peak temperature of 320 degrees Celsius. A benchy can be completed in 15 minutes with 600 mm per second ultra-high speed to save your time. Its hotbed can consistently maintain a maximum temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, enabling effortless printing of filaments such as ABS, ASA, and other materials. Fully enclosed Core XY construction with 250 by 250 by 250 mm size Kobra OS system and cooling system minimize vibrations and enhance the responsiveness to improve the quality of printing. LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling system allows for effortless automatic bed leveling. Resonance compensation and flow correction eliminate resonance patterns in all models and enhance printing accuracy. And AI monitoring ensures smooth operation. The built-in camera can achieve AI monitoring, belt tension monitoring, and seamless operation. Instantly detects and alerts you to anomalies such as spaghetti, ensuring smooth operation. And the low quiet noise is as low as 44 dB. Anycubic slicer next is equipped with different specifications and filaments parameter sets. And Anycubic app supports remote control and elapsed time recording. Maker Online offers many free model resources. Number 4. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D Printer. FLASHFORGE AD5X with intelligent filament system allows your printing in 4 colors and will be about to achieve different types of filament combinations. With auto filament loading/unloading and up to 4 kg filament auto refill function, AD5X will reduce the burden of manual material replacement, great ideal for commercial industrial use. AD5X 3D printer can reach up to 600 mm per second travel speed and 20 meters per square second acceleration. With 300 degrees Celsius high temp nozzle and 32 mm superscript 3/S large flow hot end will greatly shorten the waiting time for printing, easily achieve multicolor printing for flexible TPU, carbon fiber filament, PLA, and PTG, etc. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D printer integrates key features that one-click auto leveling, vibration compensation, resume printing, and filament detection will reduce waste and improve printing success rate, giving users an efficient and convenient printing experience. With FlashMaker and Orca FlashForge 3D printer AD5X allow users manage hundreds of printers remotely, real-time monitoring of print progress, need to add an additional camera kit, adjust parameters, receiving message alerts, and enjoy freedom in managing filament colors and types. Number 5. Creality K1 Speedy 3D Printer. Creality K1 3D printer inherits the lightweight and agile Core XY system of K1 Max 600 mm per second speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. It can maintain print quality while printing at high speed. It is 12 times faster than the other normal 3D printer. Creality K1 is an upgraded version of K1 K1 and K1 Max. It has more powerful functions and supports printing carbon fiber filaments. K1 3D printer equips a clog-free robust direct extrude, enhanced with a bolster spring and a ball plunger. It forms a strong grip, enhanced reliability that won't slacken off. Steel-tipped copper nozzle integrated with a titanium alloy heat break. It is free of clogs and can be swapped quickly. Just give a single tap, and the auto-calibration gets leveling and everything ready for you with smart sensors. The weight of printhead fans is dynamically balanced so they are less likely to wobble, minimizing ringing or ghosting. K1 is equipped with an AI camera as standard. It can always monitor whether there are foreign objects or malfunctions during the printing process. And enables real-time monitoring, time-lapse photography functions. K1 features an enclosed chamber design, 300 degrees Celsius hot end, and hardened steel nozzle tip. K1 can print well with high-temp and wear-resistant PLACF, PCF, PETCF, ASA, etc. K1 is suitable for carbon fiber 3D printing. Air purification system uses activated carbon bags to effectively purify odors and particles produced by melting consumables. During the printing, you can switch to silent mode with one click, which can reduce noise to 45 dB without affecting work or rest.